In this time, we will to learn how the sand mechanism drive in SolidWorks. Okay, just start it. Go to SolidWorks. First, select the top plane, right click and click sketch like this. First, we make two circle in here, the center, make like a tube like this. Select the circle and draw it from origin point like this. Set the dimension. Inner circle in here, tube, the half dimension is diameter 25 millimeter, and the outer the half dimension here 35. Okay, like this. We can draw it for dimension. After that, we make another circle, 1, 2, 3, circle again. Select the circle, draw it like this. Circle again, draw like this, and the last like this. For 1, 2, 3 circle in here, we can right click and make construction geometry. Okay, right click, make construction geometry, right click and construction geometry like this. Set the all the circle just we made in here. Set the dimension. First circle in here, the circle have diameter 55.55. Okay, 55.55. Just click OK, diameter. Okay, and this circle have diameter in here. We can see the diameter is 84.14. Okay, 84.14 like this. Just click OK. And the last circle geometry construction have radius is 66.98. So the diameter is 133.96 like this. Just click OK. Because the outer of the circle have radius is 66.98, so the diameter in here is 130.69. Okay, after that we just to make a center line, draw it from the origin point to the outer of circle like this. We can check in here the radius have 66.98. Can check dimension in here, draw it. Yeah, it is appropriate with this drawing, 66.98. After we just make center line, we just show circular sketch pattern entities to pattern. Select the center line in here. In here there are 1, 2, 3, 4. In here 16 center line. And see 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So in here the number of instance we can change to 16 and ensure the center point in here. Just click OK. After that we can to check the angle in here 22.5. This center line and the center line is 22.5. Okay, it's correct. Just click OK. And then we want to make a slot in here, so select the strike slot, draw like this, ensure we begin to this point until this point, draw it like this, and set the width is 12.7. The width is 12.7 like this. It's okay. And then we have to make a circle in here. Make a circle. But before we make it, we make to one circle again in here. The diameter is 100 23.83. 83. Okay, make a circle again from center of part like this, and set the dimension in here. The dimension is 123.83 like this. 123.83 like this, the diameter. Then make one circle again in here, the center of circle in the outer of the circle in here. The diameter is 28.6. okay, this, just draw it from this point, make a circle, set the dimension. The diameter is 28.6 like this. Just click OK. After that, we can trim entities to erase this line. Just click OK. This line, this line, this line, this line. Okay, this line too. We can do erase, and erase this line, this line, this line, this line. Okay, we just need to make sketch like this. Click OK. After that, we must to rotate in here sketches 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 using circle sketch button again. For entities to button, select this line and this line. For number of indents, we can change to 8 like this. Just click OK, and done. After that, we can trim entities again. For this line, okay, for this diameter, we can to delete. Okay, and trim entities again to this line, this line, this line. Okay, this line, delete all like this. To make mechanism drive, this line can erase with trim entities like this, and the last in here. Okay, we just to make a mechanism drive and schedule drive, but in here have a hole. For hole, the diameter is 6.35 from this is. So select circle again, draw from this. Okay, ensure this point and this line to make, you can select max intersection. Okay, and set the dimension of hole in here. The dimension hole is, diameter is 6.35. Just click OK. Then we can to rotate again with circular button. Select circular scale button. Entities to button, you can select this circle. Number of indent is 4 because it's 4 hole like this. Just click OK. And ensure we have to enter all size or enter the value of this. And after that, we just to extrude boss like this to give a thickness of the part to make a solid. Go to feature, then extrude boss like this. First, select this line to make a tube. The length of extrude boss or the thickness is 58.73. Direction is blind, 58.73 like this. Just click OK. Okay. After that, we can see again the sketch one and select extrude boss again. For select contour, we select this sketch. For direction, you can do reverse below, and don't forget in here to select contour. Select this like to like this, click, and set the thickness in here. The thickness is 8.5 millimeter. Just click OK. Okay, it's nearly finished, but in here I have fillet radius 3. Select the fillet in here. Fillet parameter you can change in here to 3 radius. Select this edge. Just click OK. We can change all change color in this part, mechanism part. Maybe is like this, red or pink like this, and select again to face another color is white. To hole, make hole in here, and this fillet, for example, yeah. And this to be more variation. This part of mechanism drive. And then click OK. Okay, this is a simple part for exercise SolidWorks. I hope this help you to exercise design in SolidWorks, especially for beginners. I apologize if there are any mistake or error in this material. Okay, like this mechanism drive. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe this channel. And see you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much.